Okay, so for today we are actually going to go in and we're going to fill in the color. And you know what colors you're using already because you've already added the dark color to it. So basically you want to start in the dark color and color away from it, and you want to press down, and as you move away from the dark color you want to lighten up the pressure of your pencil so that you can see a dark to light taking place. So I'll show you that again. You start in the dark area and you're coloring downward. We're not coloring across, we're coloring downward. And then you lighten up your pressure as you move away from the dark area here. And that gives a really nice dark to light. So I'm coloring away from it. And as I color away, I'm lightening the pressure of my pencil. Okay, so we're doing the center now, and it's going to be the same process as you pull away from the dark area. You just lighten the pressure and then go around so that you see a darker side on one side than the other. And same thing with the red. I'm going to start in the dark area and I'm pulling away from the dark area, and as I pull away, I am lightening the pressure. Okay, and I'm going to move over here. It's the same thing. I'm just going in a different direction, but starting in the dark area and moving away, pulling away from it. Now when I go to grade you on this is what I'm looking for. I am looking for the dark to light. Now I'm going to go ahead, and I have red up here as well. I'm going to keep continuing with the red. Alright, so we're going to start up here. And I'm going to go ahead and color his little eyelid red as well. Okay, and I'm going to lighten up my pressure as I go down. I'm going to come down here where the dark red is, and I'm going to start working my way up. Yes, that looks really nice. Okay. Now I'm going to come back here to this color here, and I'm going to work on the flowers. Once again, starting in the dark color and then working my way down, lightening my pressure as I go. Okay, and I'm just spinning around. Okay, now I'm going to work on my tail feathers, and I'm not sure which one's the blue and which one is the violet, so I can either read it or I can draw it on the back, but this one's the violet, so I'm going to start with these feathers and I'm going to work my way up. And then this one I'm going to come here and work my way down. Start in the dark and pull away, lightening my pressure as I go. Okay, one more purple. And now I'm going to move to the blue. Okay, the next thing I'm going to work on is the orange. I'm going to start up here and work my way down. And then come down here and work my way up. And work on the beak. And now work on the sun here. And we're going to work on the tree trunk. So we're going to start in the dark spots and work our way away from it, lightening the pressure as we go. There you go. You can see that there. I'll just darken that up a little bit right here, but you can see how that looks. Okay, so the last thing to do now will be the leaves. Here's a close-up of what this is looking like. And this is a lighter green, even though it's hard to see in the camera. So now we're going to go in and do the leaves. starting in the dark area and then working our way down. Of course, lightening the pressure. And I'm just going to turn the paper as we go along. This is looking really nice. I'm sure yours is looking wonderful as well. A few more leaves to go. Okay, now it's all colored and it is ready to have a picture taken of it in the graded sketchbook.